We are going to discuss a new point of this topic, that is types of chemical reactions. Now there are several types of chemical reaction included in this topic. Now the first four types of chemical reaction we'll discuss in this video. First reaction is what? Combination reaction. The name of the reaction is what? Combination reaction. Second one is what? Decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction, and fourth one is double displacement reaction. Now these type of reaction with example we'll see one by one. Now, dear students, combination reaction, the definition of combination reaction is given here. Now keep in your mind, always in boards exam there will be one question, identify the reaction, and sometimes they give the question on directly the name. What is combination reaction? Define the combination reaction with example. Explain the combination reaction with example. Like this question will come. First of all, we have to understand what is the definition. Now combination, the word, name of the reaction is also indicating the meaning of that reaction. Combination means what? We have to mix two or more reactant together and the product will be formed, that should be the single product. The chemical reaction in which two or more reactant react or mixed with each other to give a single product is called as a combination reaction. When we add two or more reactant together and when they mix with each other and they give single product, that type of reaction is called as a combination reaction. And the examples are given here. Example, just you have to write this definition in board and one example is sufficient. I will give here three examples which is given in the textbook. NH3 plus HCl, it gives NH4Cl. Now just we have seen in earlier video that we have to see whether this reaction is balanced or not. Now in left hand side nitrogen is here, one nitrogen is here, and right hand side one nitrogen is here. Hydrogen, how many hydrogens are there? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 hydrogens are there, and one chlorine is present in left hand side and one chlorine is present in right hand side. Like this we have to write another example. If you want another example, just we write 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. Any type of example which includes two reactants and it will give single product, that is the example of combination reaction. You will see left hand side 2 Mg are there and right hand side also 2 Mg present, and O2 left hand side, and this 2 will multiply with single O becomes 2O. Another example, Cu plus S, it will give CuS. Fe plus S, it will give FeS. Like this example we can write, but dear student, keep in your mind the definition is also important and examples are also important. The chemical reaction in which two or more reactants react or mixed with each other to give a single product is called as a combination reaction, as the name of reaction is also indicating the meaning, that is combination reaction. That means we have to mix or react two or more reactant together, it will give a single product. Now second type of chemical reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Now the name of this reaction also indicates the meaning of that reaction. Decompose means what? We have to divide the single thing into two parts. Now the definition according to this meaning is like this: the chemical reaction in which a single reactant give two or more products, this type of reaction is called as a decomposition reaction. Now example we can write about this reaction. Now we can take the example of sugar, C12H22O11. On heating it will give 12 carbon plus 11 H2O. In this type of reaction, in this particular example, we can see the sugar's formula we have taken. Sugar is a single reactant. After heating, it will convert it into two parts. Carbon will be separate and water will be separated from the sugar's formula. Now, the balancing of chemical reaction, according to the balancing, carbons are 12, in right hand side also 12. Hydrogen, 22 hydrogens are here, that means 11 twos are 22, and 11 oxygens are here, means what? 11 ones are 11. Like this reaction is balanced. Another type of example, that is CaCO3. CaCO3 on heating, it gives CaO plus CO2. Now this arrow which is written after the product upward side, that means carbon dioxide gas is evolved out, and when we are taking calcium carbonate, when we are going to heat it, it will decompose to two parts, that is calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. These are the two examples and definition. Everyone have to learn this definition and example. Now, next type of chemical reaction is called as a displacement reaction. Now, the name of this reaction also indicates the meaning of this type of reaction. The chemical reaction, the definition of this reaction is what? The chemical reaction in which more reactive elements from the reactant replaces less reactive element. This type of reaction is known as displacement reaction. Now, when more reactive element replaces the less reactive element from the reactant, it will give the new type of compound. The examples of this type of reaction is written here. CuSO4, copper sulfate plus iron Fe. It gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Now, in this particular reaction, we have seen that copper sulfate CuSO4 is written here. When we are going to mix another reactant, that is Fe in copper sulfate, Fe is more reactive than Cu, that is copper. It will replace the Cu and it will form the new compound, that is FeSO4, ferrous sulfate and copper. Now, another type of example is what? CuSO4 plus Pb. Pb means what? Lead. The lead is also, Pb is also more reactive than copper. It will give PbSO4 plus Cu. That means more reactive element replaces less reactive element in the reactants and it forms the new compound. It will be called as a displacement reaction. Now, fourth type of chemical reaction is what? Displacement, double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Now, displacement reaction we have seen, and now we have to see double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction, definition of double displacement reaction is what? The chemical reaction in which exchange of ions takes place and formation of PPT takes place. PPT means what? Precipitate. Precipitate is the one of the form of the chemical combination and the color of that compound that will be remain in the test tube while doing the experiment. That is called shortcut PPT. PPT means what? Precipitate. Now, if you write PPT also, it will be okay. The chemical reaction in which exchange of ions takes place and formation of PPT takes place. While writing the example, we will see what are the ions. BaCl2 plus ZnSO4. It will give. Now, how to identify the cations and anions? We can do exactly two parts of these two reactant compounds. Now, Ba will be showing positively charged, Cl will be having negative charge, Zn will have positive and SO4 will be having negative charge. Now cations and anions. Keep in your mind, always negative part will attach to the positive part, and this negative part will attach to the positive part. Now first of all we have to write ZnCl2, that will give PPT, and BaSO4 is the another product. Now this double displacement reaction shows exchange of ions. We are seeing here BaCl2 is here in reactant, but in product BaSO4 is here. That means this Ba will react with SO4 and make the compound BaSO4, barium sulfate, and this Zn, which is having positively charged, will combine with Cl, which is having negatively charged. It will give zinc chloride, and PPT of this compound will be formed in the reaction. This type of reaction is known as a double displacement reaction. Always keep in your mind, positively charged element will react with negatively charged. That will be called as a cations and anions. Now exchange of ion takes place and formation of PPT takes place. This is the definition of displacement reaction, and this example is sufficient to understand.